So now, are you ready to make a cake balls? Yay! आप सब ready हो cake balls बनाने के लिए? Okay. So what all ingredients you need? आपको क्या क्या चाहिए ingredients? Okay, I will show you. You need a cocoa powder. Can you see cocoa powder? Yes. Okay, and designated coconut. Yes. Okay, and I am going to use milkmaid. See, if you don't have milkmaid, आप उसके अंदर मिल्क के अंदर शुगर डाल सकते हो and you can use that. Okay. So now सब लोग ingredients लेके आओगे. What all things do you need? Cocoa powder, milkmaid and designated coconut. Coconut को grind करना है. Okay. I'll wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. ये सब लोग आ गए ingredients लेके? Yes. I hope you all are back with all your ingredients. So now start करें. Let's start. आपको क्या करना है? आपको कोको पाउडर, मिल्कमेड एंड डेसिग्नेटेड कोकोनट को एक बाउल में मिक्स करना है. See, I have mixed it. You have to mix it like that way. Okay? करें मिक्स उसको. I'll wait for you all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do it fast. Good job. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. किया mix? No, you need more time. Okay, I'll count. More 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one is 10. Yay! Very good babies. Good job. अभी आपको वो मिक्सचर लेना है and you all have to make a ball. Okay? Can you all make a ball? Okay, I'll wait for you all. Make a ball. Take a mixture और उसको ऐसे ऐसे बॉल बनाओ. Yes? Can we do that? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you able to make a ball? आपको आ रहा है बॉल बनाने के लिए? Very good. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and the last one is 15. Good job, everybody. See, you have to make a ball like that way. आपको ऐसे बॉल बनाना है and you can eat it. Yes, can you all show me your balls? Wow, very good, very nice. And babies, you know what? If you have a chocolate syrup at your home, आप उसको ये बॉल को उसके अंदर डिप करके खा सकते हो. Yummy, yummy. Yes. Can you eat it and tell me how it is? Wow, yummy, yummy. You liked it? Very good. Send me a nice picture of your chocolate balls. Okay, I'm waiting for your pictures. Good job, everybody.